Okay, man, I'm going to show you how to upload some web pages to our website. If you hit start, then find the program called FileZilla, which I installed a little while ago. That's an FTP program, which stands for File Transfer Protocol. On the left-hand side here, you'll see just your local file structure on your computer. And on the right side is when we connect to the web server, where we'll see all the files and folders there. So go up to Site Manager, and you can create a new site. Name it whatever you want. We're only going to be working with one. And here's the address of our server. We're using the IP address instead of the URL. So type that in. You can type in port 21 if you want. And our user ID is student@worldsecondgreatestwebsite.us. And the password is capital R, lowercase j, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then hit connect. And we should see all sorts of information pass through here, but finally say successful. If you get an error, double check your username and password, make sure everything is spelled okay. Now what we have here is an area on the server, a folder on the server called student, in which I put all these subfolders. And they're just according to your initials. So what you want to do is put your upload your information to this server. So for instance, you double click on there, shows you what's in there. It's empty. If I wanted to then upload something, I might click on my desktop. I have my in-class website with these files. I'll click and I'll drag, and it's showing down here the status, but it's pretty fast when we're uploading small files. Now to check this, I'm going to go to www.worldsecondgreatestwebsite/student, and let me check which folder I put that in. AB. And your home page should be index.html, but if you named it something else, then you would just want to type that address in. So I'm going to look up third.html. But if you have one that's named index, you might want to rename yours. That'll be the default. If I was to hit enter here, I might just get a directory structure. Oh, I get my index, which I had uploaded. And then if I want third, remember it always defaults to the index. And let's hope this works. There we go. This looks like one we did in class the other day. So what you want to do is upload your files, and you can keep it updated all the time if you want, but you don't have to. Later on we'll be posting things online, but this just gives you the freedom to put them up there. Now one cool thing about FTP is that if I want to go up a level in the directory structure more towards the administrative part of the web server, it should block me. So there's sort of a built-in security feature in the sense that I can have you guys upload files. Granted, you can see each other's folders, but you can't get farther back into the web server to some of the root directories to change or delete things. So that's one reason FTP is used.